Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, if you look at this particular price of gold, what we have seen that there is a continuous uptrend. Okay, and this uptrend is made after making a low of around $17, and this is you have to keep this in mind. This is the level. If the price comes close to this level, we can see it can fall further down and can go further low. Okay, but overall trend is upside with a great volatility, we can say. Okay, and for this particular week we have seen there is a sharp upside with a low of around 1945 and with a high of around $2031. Okay, and if you have seen one or 2 days, there is huge volatility we have seen in the price of gold. Then upside and downside was very high. Okay, the second pattern that you have to look at here is that there is a same pattern is forming here also. After that there is a downfall, and then a cup pattern is forming in both the trends. Okay, so probability was very high. I have already explained you that it can go further upside. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend before 2020, there is a trend from 2012 to 2020, and this is the similar trend we have seen has formed. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, now it is trying to form a narrow pattern. Okay, see, a narrow pattern is forming and a probability is there. We can see it can move further upside. If you look at this particular trend at horizontal line, if you create, there is this level is being tested, 2070 is being tested 2-3 times. This is the resistance, so chances are very high. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, it can move further upside. Okay, look at this particular trend. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can cross this particular level and a probability of going towards a level of 2032 is there. Before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. See, look at this particular trend. It is moving in a particular range. Okay, so chances are very high. Suppose if the price sustain this level, because this is at a support level, so bounce back is there, so probability can be high. The next support, next resistance we can see coming at around $215.93, and if that level goes further upside, then the next resistance we can see coming at around $2032. Suppose if the price sustain this level also, then chances of going further high is there, and then we can see a level of $2049, and once it sustain above 2049, then we can see it can go towards a level of $2073. Keep this in mind. Once the price comes close to 2073 or 2070, then probability can be high that it can cross this particular level and it can make its all-time high and new high. Okay, so chances can be on a higher side, that if the price moves up this level, chances of touching is on a higher side and it can go further upside. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, what you can see, there is a huge volatility we have seen. Okay, so chances can be high that if you look at this particular trend, there is a huge volatility we have seen. So suppose if the price goes below this particular level, because this is the support, if this moves further down, then what we can see, it can go further low towards a level of $1990. Okay, because what you have seen that it has already crossed a level of $2000, so chances are very high. Suppose if the price move below this particular level, we can see it can go further low and a probability of going towards $1919.20 is there, and if that level move further low, then we can see it can touch a level of around 1988. Okay, and once the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it can go further low and a probability of going towards 1990. Price fall below that particular level, it can go further low and a probability of going towards 1974 is there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around 1968. Okay, and if that level also goes further down, then we can see a level of $1957, and if the price fall below this level, then we can see it will come in the zone and a probability of going towards a level of $31 is there, and from there we can see a level of 1917. Okay, so 1917 is a support. From there we can see a bounce back, as well as 1932. Okay, these are the level. From there we can see a bounce back. These are all the support I am telling you where we can see a bounce back, but this resistance, the support will act as a resistance, so we can see it can make it a bounce and it can break this particular support again. Okay, so any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Okay, now understand why most of the traders lose money, because they try to make 100% profit in the single day, and they try take a full capital risk, and then they trade. They do not follow certain rules which is to be followed. I teach how to overcome all these trades which they take negative. Okay, so if you want to attend that workshop, mail me and then we can work out on the timings. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.